Good morning, second and third graders. I'm happy you're here learning with me today. Last week, our lesson was on progressive muscle relaxation and using our muscles to calm ourselves down. And today's lesson is going to be about frogs. Now, I know you're probably wondering, why are we learning about frogs in our counseling lesson today? Well, I'm going to tell you. Frogs are kind of remarkable creatures. They have a lot of energy, can jump and bounce and be very active, but they can also sit very calmly on a lily pad, and they can sit there all day long, just noticing the world around them and noticing their bodies. We're going to watch a video today, and then we're going to talk about it.
This exercise is inspired from sitting still like a frog. A frog is a remarkable creature. It's capable of giant leaps, and it is also capable of sitting still. As it sits still, it's aware of everything around it, and yet doesn't react to it. The frog sits still and breathes. As it breathes, its tummy rises and falls. In this exercise, let's pretend we are frogs in a pond with beautiful lily pads. Now let's jump from one lily pad to another. Let's do it to the count of 10 and take giant leaps onto our pretend lily pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's find our own special lily pad and sit there, still like a frog. Just like a frog, we will sit there waiting for our special peace bug. As we sit here in the stillness, let's breathe slowly and watch our bellies rise and fall. We can even close our eyes if we like to. Let's do it to the count of 5 gongs. Jumpy froggies, we are ready to move on again.
So that's what's so neat about frogs, and that if we pretend that we're frogs, we have that control too. So try this exercise. Jump around, jump from lily pad to lily pad. If you're outside, you can even make some chalk lily pads and try to jump from lily pad to lily pad. And then try to sit still on your lily pad and just notice the world around you. Notice what you hear, what you see, what you feel. In the video, it mentioned a peace bug. And if we really were a frog, what would make us really happy would be a bug, because we could catch it and eat it. But while you're on your lily pad, think about what is something that would make you very happy? And picture it and think about that. And that could be your peace bug. On the Padlet that you access this video, there are 2 optional activities. One activity is to sit still or go outside and sit still and notice what's going on around you like that frog does. And the other one is to draw or share what makes you happy. What's your peace bug? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next week. Have a wonderful day.